Hey guys, Nick Drossel and welcome to Code Red Defense. Today we're going to look at 3 simple self-defense moves that everybody should know. Probably one of my first favorite strikes is right into the throat. So it's open hand going in here, okay? Now, you can punch it, you can strike it with the throat, with the elbow, you could come in with over here, but striking the throat as a first strike is a great first strike and a great opener to create a flinch response and for you to come in with other strikes, okay? So if my hands are up, I'll strike here. If he's moving forward, boom, I'll strike him with the forearm. I could even come close, like say you're talking to me, I could even elbow into the throat, okay? So striking the throat is a great target. Again, you have all your options. Second one is a double palm strike. If I'm here, one hand comes in front of the other and I'm popping, pushing forward, snapping the neck back. So anybody could do this, guys. It doesn't take years of training. You don't have to be, you could be a 50-year-old man or woman, and it's nothing more than if I'm here is boom, releasing both my hands and exploding forward. I'm covering and I'm snapping the neck back. Another great one is a hammer fist. And why I like the hammer fist is because you can't break anything and you could do a lot of damage. Again, you don't need to be an expert to throw this. So if I'm here, boom, to the bridge of the nose, okay? So if I'm here and I'm talking, I can go right into the bridge of the nose, I can go right into the ear, right into the jaw. Again, like in previous videos, once I strike, boom, here, I come in right away with more strikes. These are 3 great first preemptive strikes. There's headbutts as well that you can do, but a headbutt, right now it'd be hard for me to headbutt him. It'd be easier for him because I'm taller, I would have to get closer. Okay, so depending on the range. Knees are also good, but also know that every time I throw a knee, I could take a chance to be taken down to the ground. So the first thing I always tell people as having 3 good first preemptive strikes, make sure that you're solid on your feet. 2, that you can use your hips to launch with power. And 3, make sure it's the easiest one, gross motor skills, that no matter what I hit in the head, I'm making damage and then I'm following through with as many strikes as I can. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more self-defense, go visit my website, codereddefense.com. Stay safe and stand strong.